Isipatana. Shahid Zumri. He breaks. Shakir Zumri in fact.
Perfectly. Swiss Tech Aluminium. ඔබත් කොටේෂන් එකක් අරගෙන බලන්න.
Isipatana are set to host Zahira College here at Havelock Park as Zahira College are still in with a shout and they will be hoping that St. Peter's will do them some favours. Ahmad, Ishan and Habib in the front rows, Zain and Rifnaz in the second rows, Shahil, Muzil and Zulfika will round off the forwards.
Moving on to Isipatana College team card. Navin Tahiri, Kavin Jayasinghe, Nevit Meunaka, Damsar Vitarna, Russell Jayveera, Imbul Goda, Manuja Botedu, Shakib Zumri and Sanil Jayveera, an unchanged forward pack for Isipatana.
This will be the men in charge, Ravin Alexander with the duties of officiating the game, while Arushant and Aziz will be on the two touch lines.
Stenlo Di Costa with the ball to kick off. Here goes the kickoff, collected by Zahira. Straight away, bumps off two tackles, gives it out with space. With the line out, Jayveera goes up. Brilliant throw by Chiku. Oh boy, that's definitely a penalty. Oh, to make it even more worse, one of your star players going off.
Coming in from the side.
Yes, Zahira with a perfect opportunity to score. Sets up the maul. They have been brilliant in this department. The forwards has been doing brilliant stuff and that's a Mana Bank try for Zahira.
The defenders behind as look at that replay. Line out was well secured by Zulfika himself and then the ball was transferred. And once this second break happened, Isipatana, the defense was caught napping all over the place and there was no stopping them.
17 minutes, the first score of the game. And here's Stenlo Di Costa. Straight away.
Number 4.
Yellow card, says the referee. Going into a big tackle from Zumri and here's Zahira once again. Takes it quick. Abdin finds space. He have done a lot of this throughout the season. Abdin once again goes under the post for a Mana Bank try for Zahira College.
Beautiful bit of play there by that little number 9. He spotted the opportunity, saw that the defense was napping. They were not 10 meters. They cannot lay a hand on him. And the little number 9, Abdin, well, he makes full. And Zulfika with the conversion adds the extras.
He missed 10 minutes, conceded a yellow card and that's how you reply. Saw the opportunity, Isipatana, no one was backpedaling. Brilliant stuff by this youngster. I think he scored many tries throughout this season, just the way he did today. It's just the vision this boy has. He knows when and where to attack. And as a scrum half, when you have such nippy scrum half in your team.
And little number 9 feeds.
Here's Zumri, breaks, finds Yudi Kodijwaku fumbles but finds Stenlo Di Costa now with space. Di Costa, he reaches and he scores for another Mana Bank try. First Mana Bank try for Isipatana, Stenlo Di Costa.
The ball has been grounded, so that's the first Amana Bank try. And you told them that they would be going into half-time with a lead. I'm sure they would have to.
Isipatana wouldn't want to go to half-time. Stenlo Di Costa goes for the 50-22, has space. Hakim says that's enough. And that's the half-time confirmation.
7 points to 12 reads the half-time score from Havelock Park.
බෑග් වල බොරු ගණන් ගහලා පස්සේ ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් දෙන දේවල් මා ගාව නෑ මහත්තයා.
ඔබේ නිවසේ පරිපූර්ණ නිමාවකට දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස් ටෙක් ගන්න ඕනේ හොඳම තීරණය.
All important second half kicks off as Zayn goes high up and under.
Collected by the Isipatana College, getting support, carrying the ball from close range. Ahmad, will he go over? No, he's brought down just short. Zaira College knocking on that door. Will their forwards be able to barge over? Yes, they can. Amana Bank try number 1 in the second half, and it comes courtesy of Shah.
As Shaifullah pitches the kick between the posts.
That Trinity are having a slender 7-point advantage side.
Just brilliant. Trinity St. Peter's game that Zaira would.
Kawani scrum being fed by Bimsat. Breaks is the player with the number 1 on his back, and he goes over. Yes, he does. Tahir. Amana Bank try for Isipatana College.
Shakib Zumbri trusting his prop forward to play number 8, and that's absolutely brilliant.
Well, those points will be as valuable as gold at this moment. Naveed Tahir bounced off Zayn. You don't see that too often. You haven't seen that too often this season. As the conversion by Menace on the floor at breakdowns this evening. Good carry there by Meunaka. However, penalty advantage goes the way of Isipatana. Shahid Zumri, he breaks. Shakir Zumri, in fact, and he goes over under the post. But the referee will have to check whether this Amana Bank try is. Here's the kick. Chip comes in. Charged down off his foot, was it? And he collects. By the looks of it, the skipper Zumri is going underneath the upright. Chip kick comes in, charged down off the knee, and recollected by Zumri.
And it's a try.
Good. The game.
Easy that is Desik Costa with the goal conversion, and Isipatana for the first time leads. Things are heating up in Havelock Town. Zumri with the chip kick was not planned at all, but maybe just had the luck. Received it and dives over for another Amana Bank try, and now is this the decision
To defend Zayn, he now has the opportunity to kick the ball out on the full, but he does not manage to do so. Step in, break in is the center, Jayavira. Has he been taken out? By the looks of it, he has. The referee's arm comes out. The whistle has gone. And how he was brought down. Here's Jayavira. Step in. He manages to get the offload away. Well, in fact, the kick. Looks a bit dangerous there by Shahid. The previous passage of play, by the looks of it, it's Shahid, the number 2. That was quite because he was going into the tackle. So is Meunaka. Isipatana College through their skipper. Lovely short ball there. Jai Singh, he needs to place the ball. And he does exactly that. To the line they go. Di Costa, step in. He goes over underneath the post. Di Costa with an Amana Bank try. And this game has been turned on its head. Isipatana College extend their lead further.
Brilliant stuff by the youngster, and this is really good confidence booster for Isipatana as they got their first 5.
Driver's seat. About 10 minutes or so left on our clock. But we need to remind the fans, it's not our clock that matters, but it's the referees.
Romario, you asked me, but here's Zahira now.
The Rexona line out. Shahid hits his target. The Zahira College mall is set up. Samat at the tail of it. Zahira College marching forward. Zahira College, they go over for an Amana Bank try. That's the big lock forward. Zain, who goes over and makes this a 4-point ball game.
Lines up for a goal conversion.
Basit from the tee makes no mistake. The game is back to 2 points here at Havelock Park. Is in here from Havelock Park. Shahid Zumri, take us through this.
Just brilliantly set up. As I said, the first try they scored something similar to this. You can see how the prop forwards are working. They're nicely removing the first 3 off the Isipatana forwards, and it's
However, by the looks of it, the ball has been turned over. Great counteract there. Decision time for Abdin. He takes a quick tap. Unfortunately though, Zahira College, now it's decision time. Shahid Zumri, will you go for the 3? Will you go for the touch?
straight 3 points. Romario, there's no question in
No
it.
brainer. Concentration as he makes no mistake. Pierces the posts with perfection.
There's a lot impending.
Here's Tahir trying to go and hoping that luck will favor him for the second time of asking. Zahira College know that they cannot infringe. Pressure coming in. Tenuka to the line. Sandeepa step in. And that's high, says the referee. An advantage going. The penalty goes the way of Isipatana College. Decision time. Di Costa. Tenul Di Costa. Off the tee. Pierces the posts. Tenul Di Costa has kicked Isipatana College to victory. 31 points to 29. And what a game we have witnessed here from Havelock Park. It doesn't get any better than this. Of the last kick of the game, Tenul Di Costa makes no mistake and he kicks Isipatana College to victory.
And here's the stats of today's game. Isipatana College with 4 tries each, as Zahira as well. The conversion which made the difference end of the day. Tenul Di Costa's boot was a bit better than Basit, and I think just brilliant stuff by both teams. There's nothing to take away from Zahira, but just that last minute penalty from Di Costa which turned up everything.
Certainly so. 4 tries, 4 conversions, 4 tries, 3 conversions and a penalty. What a game we have witnessed here at Havelock Park.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එකක් නැද්ද මුදලාලි අතන කඩේ 140ක් දෙන්නම් කිව්වා.
බෑග්වල බොරු ගණන් ගහලා පස්සේ ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් දෙන දේවල් මාගාව නෑ මහත්තයා.
ඔබේ නිවසේ පරිපූර්ණ නිමාවකට දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස් ටෙක් ගන්න ඕනේ හොඳම තීරණය.